Now, this is a pretty messy job, right? Right here I have 6 attempts to drill a hole in a concrete wall, and every time I would hit a stone or a metal inside of this concrete wall until I finally managed to drill 2 good holes for this bike holder. But if you want to have a decent wall, you really need to patch up all of these holes, and there's a very simple way to do it. First, we need to clean up these holes from dust, small concrete pieces or any other particles, and for this job we will simply use a small brush and a piece of rag. We will also make these holes a little bit wet with water because we want to have extra good connection with the fill-up mass. Now this right here is a repair mass. This is meant to level up all small and bigger holes on interior ceiling and wall surfaces. It's very simple to mix it. You usually have instructions on every bag. In my case, I need around 350 milliliters of water to 1 kilogram of this mass, but 1 kilogram is really too much. We don't need that much. We will just wing it. Just make sure that this mass is not too watery. It will take ages to dry out. You can always add a little bit of this powder until you get the desired density. Now, don't worry, you don't have to hurry. This mass won't dry out that quickly. You have at least around 30 minutes to apply this mass to your holes. Okay, that came out a little bit wrong, but you know what I mean. Now, if you have any kind of spatula, it will come pretty handy for this next step. Take this prepared mass with the spatula end like this and just apply it to these holes. Make sure you push this mass inside the hole with this spatula end. And just a quick reminder, if you are enjoying this content so far, it would be a huge help if you would hit that like button right now, as this really helps to get our content out there. Thank you for doing that. You can even be a little bit more generous with this fill-up mass because we will sand off everything later to prepare it for the second step. Okay, it took a couple of hours for everything to dry out, but as you can see, we can easily sand off any excessive materials from this fill-up mass. Now, why do we want to do this? Well, we are going to add one more layer of fine filling mass to these holes, just because I want to have a smooth surface on this wall. Now, of course, this is a garage and you don't have to do it, but this is basically the same process you would do in your apartment. So let's get it right. As you can see right here, after I sanded off everything pretty nicely, there are these small holes right here, and we are going to fill them up with the fine filling mass. The second fill up mass is this level up mass for the inner walls, which is extremely easy to sand and paint over. Mix everything exactly the same as with the repair mass. Make sure your mixture is not too watery and apply it all over these holes. Now, if you have any experience with concrete walls, please write your tips down in the comments. I'm really curious to see what do you guys use as the filler mass for a concrete wall holes. All that is left to do now is to wait for this filler mass to dry out, and then we can sand off everything easily, and then we can repaint the whole wall very easy, but that is for another video. Now, if you want to learn how to easily drill holes in a concrete wall, then check out this video right here. Here you can see a big difference between battery operated drill and a hammer drill, and right here, well, the YouTube algorithm thinks that this video is best video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.